Success is a lifestyle, my goal was to attain. Why I had the vision in heart, told my mom I'll grow. Couple years down the line, I'm still a kid that she knows. I barely ever changed, my goals still remain. A shot that is vodka, yeah, to ease the pain. Full of regrets, said they ask if it's fair just to leave and I swear where everything ain't clear. So burn my lungs with a smoke, kill my mind with his thoughts, drown my soul in the liquor. Tell the devil I'm coming home, can the life get better? Can I weather the weather? Am I really that patient to carry my youth, just to carry the truth? Yeah, my life is a flop. As a kid I had hopes. Mama, I told you I'm a shining star, but it's always kinda dark from the point that we are.